Hello friends, I am Rajendra Kulkarni and we are watching Programming in Python with RSK. In this video, I will be explaining relational arithmetic operators in Python. So let us start our video. This table gives you the gist of arithmetic operators in Python. This is double equal to sign or double assignment sign or symbol, double assignment symbol. It tells that the quantities on left and right of this symbol are equal. When the variable on left is equal to that of right, the output will be true. These small examples: a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, a is equal to or equal to b, it is true. Then a is 5, b is 6, so naturally it will be false. If a, b, c all are equal, then a equal to b equal to c will be true. Then this is an operator less than, which indicates that left side value is less than the value on the right hand side. Another a few examples: a is 5, b is 8, so a less than b is true. When a is 5, b is 3, a less than b is false because a is greater than 3. When 3, a, b and c are assigned with 2, 3, 5, then a less than b less than c is true. Then there is an operator greater than. It checks variable on left is greater than that on the right. There are two variables a and b. A is 10, b is 9, a greater than b will be true. Then a is equal to 9, b is equal to 10, then a is greater than b will be false. Then the fourth relational operator is less than or equal to. Whether the variable on left is equal to or less than on right. So here a is 5, b is 5, a less than b will be true. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, a less than or equal to b will be true because a is less than b. A is 10, b is 9, a less than or b equal to b will be false. Then there is a greater than or equal to operator. It checks whether the variable on left is equal to or greater than on the right of the symbols. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, a greater than b will be true, greater than or equal to b will be true. A 6, b is 4, a greater than or b equal to b will be true. A 6, b 10, a greater than or equal to b will be false. Small examples here which I executed on Python's IID available with me. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 12, d is equal to a equal to b equal to c. Naturally it will be false, and a false value will be assigned to d by this expression. Similarly, when all the three are equal, then d will be assigned a value true. Then a is 12, b is 10, c is 15, a greater than b, b greater than c. What it will evaluate? It will evaluate to false. D will be assigned with false because a is greater than b is true, but b is greater than c is false. So a greater than b greater than c evaluates to false. Then A less than B, A greater than B, B less than C, it will evaluate to true. The operators can be used for comparing strings. We have seen earlier those were all programs were used where int values were used for comparison. In this program we will see how strings are compared. Now there are two strings A B C D E F G, where A B C D is capital, and another string S1 A B C D E F G and additional H here. We can see A B C D E F G of both the strings are equal because they are all A B C D in both the strings are capital letters. EFG in both the strings are small case letters, but S1 has an additional letter which is H here. If we equate C to S greater than S1, we get a result false. On the other hand, if we equate C to S less than S1, we get a result true. Now here S1 is ABCDEFG, where EFG are in capital letters, and we are comparing again S and S1. So what will be the output of this? Here S, ABCD are in capital letters, here they are in small case letters. In S, EFG are in small case, in S1 EFG are in capitals or uppercase. The result is false. So S greater than S1 with these values is false, S less than S1 with these strings true, S greater than S1 with this S string and S1 string false. Again S1 has been changed to ABC, then small d or lowercase d E F G, whereas S is ABC and D all in caps and EFG in small case. Now S is greater than S1 will be false. While comparing strings, the characters in both the strings are compared sequentially by their Unicode values. So when we say when we evaluate S greater than S1, A will be compared with A of S and S1, B will be compared with B of S and S1. Sequentially, C will be compared with C, D will be compared with D. Similarly, E compares with E, F compares with F, G compares with G. All these characters are having certain Unicode values, and those Unicode values in the form of int constants are compared. If all the comparisons are true, output is true. In case of any character not being equal, output is false. If all characters of one string are equal to other string, if they compare and give true result for each and every character, but the other string is bigger, has more characters than the one string, then the result of comparison will always be false. We can see this here in this particular case. S is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that means it has 7 characters. or the length of S is 7. S1 we have added one more character H after G, so length of S1 will be 8. Naturally 7 is not equal to 8 and hence result will be, or 7 is less than 8, so result will be false. Unicode values of A to Z are 97 to 122 and Unicode values of A to Z are 65 to 90. So small caps will always be having a higher integer value as per Unicode scheme than the characters which are in capital letters. So A small cap will always be greater than A large cap because small cap A is associated with int value 97 and large cap A is associated by Unicode scheme to 65. So 97 is greater than 65, so result will be true. Then there is a character which is used as a negation characters in Python. Let us see a small program. A is assigned with 12, B is 10, C is 12. A not equal to B, not equal to C. What this negation character operator does when it is associated with not equal to, then if both are A and B are not equal to B, then it will be evaluating to true. Similarly, B not equal to C, we will evaluate to true because A, B, C are not equal. We can see here A is 12, C is 12. So A not equal to C will evaluate to false. But we are not checking it, we are only finding out whether A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So the output will be true. So this is all about our video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel Programming in Python with RSK. This is the link which you can go through which you can connect to my channel Programming in Python with RSK. Friends, I also have another channel Programming in C with RSK, where I have uploaded more than 50 videos, each giving information about C features. That channel can also be reached by through this link Rajendra Kulkarni. This https www.youtube.com will remain same and at Rajendra Kulkarni 7333 will take you to my channel on C programming. So thank you very much. Hope you like this video. Your comments are always highly welcome.